morning, this is Duntov. Today I'm at the Raiders Allegiant Stadium. So today is Tuesday, May 12th, 2020. I am way at the southeast corner. This is where the offices used to be. So you can see they're getting a lot of this area ready for the parking lot areas. They're getting the light poles bases in. Got him working under here. I don't know what he's working on. And if we swing around this way, this is one of them little remote control things there he's working with. So up there, that's Russell Road. They did put the sidewalks in. They poured the concrete yesterday. So they should be opening that up maybe today even. Soon. Alright, we're going to walk down and check out down this east side here. This is Dean Martin Road that we're standing on now. Right along the road here by this entrance, you can see they got some kind of sewer drain there. Then they dug all this area out. I'm sure it's for drainage and stuff like that. From here I can see Mount Charleston. I'm going to zoom in. You can see the snow's pretty much melted. You know, we've had them 100 degree days the past week or so, so it's been warm up there also. Today's not bad. Right now it's only like 80 degrees, very windy though. Alright, this is still the southeast Dean Martin. This is right by one of the entrances. So they got this weird looking pole up. So I'm assuming it's going to be some kind of sign. Or like, you know, the entrance. It'll say a certain entrance here, but we'll see. Because they actually have more of them laying down here on the ground. See them right there, so I don't think they're going to be like the location marker, so you know like what parking lot you're in. That way you can see down this side they got more trees and getting more stuff ready to plant in there. And then this is the man lift storage area. Okay, so we got down here, you can see they're just storing a lot of the supplies for everything they're going to need around the site. And then this parking lot is all the different companies working on the place. Alright, we're still down the south end. Just wanted to show you, can see they got all this area, just a lot of it cleaned out. Then you can see all the bollards going down. And then if you look, they also got all the fencing in. This would be the east side of the filtre. So the filtre area, they were supposed to start putting, rumor was they were supposed to start putting in the grass this week. I keep checking the interior cam or the live cam and I haven't seen anything. They've been putting like you can see the sprinkler systems are on, but nothing is being installed yet that I can see. All right, we're gonna look at the building right now, the stadium. You can see this box truck right in front, and then that crane right there. If we look on the, it looks like they're fixing the panels. So this, you can see that one there. Kind of looks like they did some body work to it. So we're gonna walk down the east side. Maybe they fixed those dented panels that were there also. That's what it appears like. On the viewfinder it's a little bright, but it looks like they fixed that one corner and then bondoed it and primed it. Alright, this is the area where they had those temporary power supplies. So they took that out. Now you can see all the lines. Or here's another one of them posts over there, that pole. It's by the different entrances, so I'm thinking it's gonna say, you know, gate 5, gate 4, whatever. Alright, if we look down here, you can see they're running all the lines. And then this is for people like me, us non-construction people. So they actually put this tape down here. I don't know if they leave it or not, so if it's something, if they start digging, they'll see that so they don't get electrocuted. Looks like it's something that will stay. Just saying, electrical lines buried below if you couldn't read it. So interesting. Alright, we're getting closer to the east side. I'm going to zoom in up here. We got some more of these poles up here. I'm just trying to figure out what we're looking at. Looks like some kind of antenna to me on the viewfinder. Sorry for the shake, I'm holding the camera. It's so windy that it's blowing around. That's just another thing sticking up on that southeast end of the stadium. Alright, here's the video screen. Nobody's over here working on any of this. I'm pretty sure they're done with all this frame area. You don't see any of the cables that were going across before. Just waiting to see when they're going to start putting the actual media mesh video screen in. But I would think that before they do all that, you can see like this. I don't know if it's dirty or scratched up or what, but I would think they'll clean all that stuff up first. Alright, if we look down here, you can see they're getting more forms up to put more concrete around the perimeter of the stadium. And then right along here, they had all these planters. So they started taking all the forms off of them now. Very windy today. I was going to send a drone up to check out the fill tray, but I don't know if I'll be able to put that up in the air. Might not stay up there. So we can see they're getting some more of these big posts in. where the guys are putting in the forms for more concrete work. If you look up towards the south way, how it's lower down here and then it's going to go up higher down that way. You can see how the dirt's going up. Alright, the wind is really picking up now. I mean, the dust that's blowing around, these guys got to have some kind of eye protection. It's getting in our eyes big time. So I don't think they're working on the roof today. Really, all they had left is this little bit right up here, right up above. If you look at the Raiders live cam, they don't have a lot left to do, and then they should start putting that Allegiant logo up. Okay, so this is looking down towards the northeast end. Alright, to get back to that panel that was on the south end, it looked like they repaired it. This side, still nothing. So still got that one dented one. Except in the light, I don't really see the other ones. I know there was another one here. There were others, but maybe just they fixed them except for this one. Because there was another one lower down or up higher and I don't see that, so maybe some of them they can repair and other ones they might have to swap it out. But from here with the lighting, I don't notice a different one. If you look at the planters, so they're even putting, the fence is going to go through the planter also. I guess they don't want people jumping over, you know, whatever this area. So the fences are even going across everything. Alright, so now you can see the scaffolding. So they still haven't started taking the other down, but I want to show you the finish work they did up underneath there. Man, it's windy. Sorry for the shake. I'm bouncing all over here. It's looking good. Like a pouring concrete. Check out his shirt in the back. This is the northeast side right now. See, they still got this big piece of pipe sitting there. You can see the main entrance. This would be the north entrance. If you look at that man lift right behind it, the orange one. So they're getting all that finish put on there. So there's the panels there. That should be the finished work. This part here should be covered up, so you can see the finished product. So it just matches the rest of the panels on the building. Then if you look down here, those are going to be the stairs to go up. I'm not sure they got a lot of, I don't know if that's more rebar or what they're putting in over there. But those will be stairs going up. And then the Raiders store is going to be right in that area. But we'll keep walking around to go check it out from that north view. So it doesn't appear like this scaffolding, anything is coming down yet. We'll get that north view so we can see straight on. You can see all the styrofoam and stuff that's flying off the building. At least I think you can see it on there. It's so windy and anything not tied down has been coming over. Most of it just light stuff, but it's crazy. Okay, so you can see more of the big posts going in. And these guys are working over here. So some renderings used to show this would be like a water feature, but the latest renderings show this would be like a planter. There's one on each side. Them doors right there, that's the store. Which right there, it used to have the conic box that they walked through. It looks like they removed that. Alright, I'm right on the corner of Dean Martin and L. Davis. So this will be like an area, you know, gathering area full of people just walking in to get into the place. Alright, so they haven't started these raised panels in this area yet, as you can see. Look in this planter right in front, they got some more of these different poles going in. You can see one at the other one down there also. Alright, I'm now on L. Davis Way, looking straight at the north side. See all this area here, all the fenced off area. And then you can see they took out that conic box that was going through this entrance here. Check out right where that guy's walking. So that'll be the main north entrance to enter up here. Then you can see break time. They all try to find some shade, so we got some trees there for them. Alright, I'm now on Hacienda, right on the bridge, to give a good view of everything. Alright, so if we look, this is the exact same scaffolding area. They haven't removed any more of it. So pretty much it covers. So the halfway mark is about where the stairs are going up the scaffolding. That's also right behind there is where the torch will be. which we haven't seen in a long time since they took that interior cam down. So then if we look, let's see if they took all that blue protective film off. I can't see any on the viewfinder. I mean, it is super windy, so that could be another reason why they're not working on anything. It doesn't appear like anybody's up there. Alright, then I did get a few comments. They were talking about behind the scaffolding, you can see the yellow there. That's one of the layers that goes underneath the panels. So they're getting a lot of it in, and then if you look right next to it, so they're starting to finish up some of that work. So I thought maybe they'd wait till the scaffolds were down, but no, they are getting it in. So it's coming along. Okay, we'll look down this east side from here. Take a look at the northwest corner here. They've been doing a lot of work building up this area. Alright, so I guess that's all we got from this side. So Raider Nation, everybody stay safe. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk with you guys next time.